We're in Prezi.com. To get a free account, we're actually going to go down to the for students and teachers and then click learn more. It will pop up this next window and then we're going to select EDU standard, which is free on the left there, and then click continue. And then from there it will bring us up to the sign up stage, which we must do. In fact, it has to be the school email in order to qualify for a free account. So go ahead and put in your school email address. And when you're done, just click verify at the end. And then what that will do, it will generate an email to your email address. Okay, once you get to this screen, put in your first and last name. And then after you've confirmed your email address there, stick in a super strong password, or passphrase would be better. Check the I'm not a robot box and then click the button at the bottom. And then you're good to go. When you get to this stage, just select the student if you're a student, or educator teacher if you're an educator teacher. And then it'll just take you through the setup process for that account. Here we go, it's loading up now. So the first thing it'll do, it will populate 12 templates. Some of them are novice level and some of them are a bit more skilled. So if you're just starting out, I suggest using novice. Obviously, if you've used it before, go for skilled. And then you can have like a live preview so you can see what it looks like before selecting it. So you can just have a look at these guys and then you can be quite uncreative like me. Just select the first one at the top, which is the good company one. Okay, so you can just explore it by clicking the little arrows at the bottom and it'll just take you through the process to give you an idea of what you could do. Or you can skip this altogether and just click use as template and come up with your own ideas instead.